This conference will now be recorded.
So today's concept is ALV interactive report with call transaction. What is exactly from ALV window? First output with selection of key feed, master data or organization data or transaction data. Even a transaction data also we can use. Order number is a transaction data. Display in detailed information into SAP transaction code 03. Okay, for display information. Understand? Always 03 is display. But how to do it? We already done in the desktop interactive call transaction, correct? So here very important. So with ALV function model, with parameter, IT underscore events. Understand? You got the one here. With event name, user underscore command, and with subroutine of parameter SLS underscore selfie, we can capture selected field name and value. Correct? Yes or no? We done it already yesterday. Fine. Once you got this, how to assign? So with set parameter command, ID command, okay, we will assign the selected value into SAP transaction code screen field of parameter ID option. And with call transaction, we can display into desktop of transaction code 03 process. Okay, so you should have an idea how to write the programming. First, you should mentally prepare. I have to do like this. Suppose you go in a real-time company, when you go for experience, they will ask you how you do it this. You have to explain. That time you cannot by heart and explain about code. Na? So you should say that technically, I will do like this, like this. Then you will realize that yes, you've done this. Okay? Yeah, please note these points in your book. Okay, copied Siddharth, copied Hussein.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so ALB interactive report selected material group. Display all material configuration information from Mara table into grid window and selection of material number. Show in detail material information into transaction code MM03 material display using tables MARA, MAKT, MARD, MARC and other tables. So you no need to write, I can see the information MM0. Okay, fine. Copied everyone? Copied Siddharth?
Yes, sir.
So next is 6. This is ALV interactive call transaction. So I'll mention no standard page heading. So message hyphen ID ZB12 web underscore MSC class. Correct? Yes or no? Okay, let's go for declarations. I want to get all the details. I'll mention IT underscore Mara, type table of Mara. Good. The next, we'll go for events for selection. So type hyphen tools colon S, uh, sorry, SLS. Got it, huh? Got it. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. It charges 30, I think, correct?
Yes, sir.
Actually, Autogun is 110 or 100, but MedPlus you'll get 80% discount. You know,
That's why it was too low.
but you have to first pay some amount, 50 rupees. Your Aadhaar card phone number will be registered. Then after that, whatever you take medicines, it's 80% discount. It's better, no? Yeah. I have nose block here. Morning onwards suffering. Morning I went to nearby metro, MedPlus, but it is not available. It's out of stock.
It was it.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Generic medicine.
Yeah, nostril drops, man. I have a nose block. And nose block uncomfortable to breathe, you know.
Most likely this generic one.
No, it is MedPlus medicine.
Generic only, I'm saying. What I is charging this.
No, actually, it is Otriven nostril drops, but I'll take MediPlus manufacturing. This is no tax for them directly.
No, that's why I'm telling you. It is generic. Generic is no tax.
Ah, generic is
Yeah.
government.
Yeah, yeah.
This
No,
is
no, no.
private.
Generic is actually a term acronym used for
Of course,
different.
but thing is that's offered by government.
No, no, no.
But this MedPlus is a doctor. He's from Warangal. He
No.
made this.
Acha.
You know, you will get medicine with amount of 100 rupees. Through MediPlus, you will get 80 rupees, 30 rupees. You'll give 80% discount. Why means this 80% discount means in other companies like Glaxo, Ready Labs, they have to pay for doctor, they have to pay for marketing executive, they have to pay for tax to government. These are all things adding and he's putting amount.
Yes, it takes up the price.
That's best now.
Yes. I use Pune Janashruti.
Yes, MediPlus is best quality. So now I'm declaring events. ITE type SLS underscore T underscore event. Again, worker event type SLS underscore ALV underscore event. Good. So now let me input material group template. So selection screen, begin of block, B1 with frame. Now I need to mention parameters. I'll say material group type Mara hyphen MATKL and object. If you double click on MATKL, it shows setup also. Selection screen end of block B1. Starting. So if you press F4, see that through the MATKL field you can see. Okay. So from here I'll select steels. Belongs to steels all the materials I want to see. So I'm writing start of selection. Okay, directly I'm writing select query here. Nothing, no need to subroutine. So select star all the fields into table IT underscore Mara from Mara table where MATKL is equal to M group. Now I'll mention okay end of selection. Here case size Sabasi when 0. Then I'll show perform subroutine underscore output. When 4, I think message H003, I think, correct? Materials not found. So, end case. So, let me create subroutine underscore output. So, before going to display output, I need to assign events, correct? So whenever selection means the event name is user underscore command. So work area event hyphen form name equal to within quotes user underscore command, not hyphen. Work area event hyphen form is equal to again subroutine. You can write anything subroutine name. Okay, underscore selection. Append work area event to ITE and clear work area event. Now I want to display grid window. So here I'll get the call function. It's a pattern. I'll mention the use underscore ALV underscore grid underscore display. Okay, compulsory I underscore callback program for interactive underscore structure and title. The next we need to use events. So here I underscore callback program equal to I'll mention within quotes. You must mention sy-c prop and I underscore structure name equal to within quotes you should mention Mara and I underscore grid title equal to within quotes. So material list, select material, show transaction code MM03. Okay, fine. The next in IT underscore events equal to you should mention IT and T underscore tab equal to you should specify IT underscore mark. Now I need to write interactive call transaction. How do you write interactive call transaction? Form subroutine underscore selection using two parameters you should mention p sy-u com. Again pb2 type sls underscore self-feed which follows end form. So between form and form we have to trap pb2 hyphen field name. So now I need to write if pb2 hyphen field name is equal to, if we double click on material number, then I want to assign set parameter id. What's the parameter id name? Mat for mm03 and field. What's the value? pb2 hyphen value. Directly you can send that value, but it will perform only as an insert process. It will not display on screen. Now I'll mention call transaction code mm03 and skip first screen. Automatically it goes to the call transaction mm03 displays to selection. This is exactly ALV interactive with call transaction. So same. No errors. Okay. And press F8. Now I'll select some metal groove. So whatever you want to see. I want to see steel items, steel sheets.
But in real time, we will face all these data.
Yeah.
Oh, sir,
They will feed. At the moment go live, they'll feed. You will not get this data. They'll remove it. Once you press F8, you see that the complete Mara table information is going to display around 120 fields. Now I'll double click on who is this Remat 0001 If you single click here, nothing happens. Only double click it works. If you double click here, it will not work because if condition. So now I'll double click on Ramat 001. My God. Oh, here MM03 will not work.
Yeah.
I'm very sorry. This will not work in MM03 here. Okay, understanding?
Yes, sir. I
It
saw
automatically going to display.
some FICO comments are applicable, but MM here no.
Yeah,
Answer.
bad luck. So what I want from you is copy the code. Just keep it as the LB interactive code. Okay?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, the data that was fetched right now earlier, that entire data. Sir, you said that that is close to us for when it is about to go live. So that
In go live that time, they'll remove all data and upload it.
to the new server, like
New server. Yes.
S/4HANA.
That's through BDC they will do it. Okay?
But sir, I was asking who will actually fetch this data before go live? MM.
Company would people will give MM consultant will correct and give us to us. MMSD FICO consultant.
So
First work will be accounts. Once accounts is over, then SDMM. Because still accounts GL master data is uploaded, you cannot run MMSD. Your GL account is the main major company codes. Okay.
documents part, functional people will do.
Yes, do it.
Sir, our work will start after requirements are given to us to.
At time of implementation, realization work. Realization means once customizing is over, they converted SAP product as a company programs as a package. Then we have to start any modifications, all these things. Okay.
Like for example, some table needs any modulation. We have to do that.
Yeah, we have to do it. That's the enhancements.
Prefill data will be there. We have to just modify the
No,
codes.
without data, I have to do. Then after installation, data will be uploaded. With data, you cannot do. Before that only they will do it. Structure, feature modification, dot append. Then after the data uploads.
So mostly you have to write the code in from scratch or.
No, no. For data dictionary, append structure, you can do it additional changes. But code also should be there.
Like for example, I'm going to the organization right now. Mostly they will have the things already set up. They might give
Maximum
me
predefined only be there, but very less to changes. Okay.
maximum sir, support projects are going on right now. Very less
In
implementation.
support process, you cannot do enhancements. Only operation issues to solve.
And sir, public
Rollout and implementations. Only debugging you have to do and issues solve and do it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Everybody copy the code, please. Yeah. In my server, it's not working. I think Siddharth, you can use your remote server. It will works. Okay.
Okay,
no,
sir.
sir. Same thing, sir. Our also MM no access.
You may not hear some library patch problem. That's the main issue.
No, sir. I have once tried MM03 also. The command it is not taken.
Why?
Sir, because MM very little access is given in that software patch. FICO it is there. FICO come decodes it is
Your
taken.
patch not working.
No, MM is not working. Not complete access given, sir. Only after specific after it is they have given.
Okay.
फिर ढीला हो गया सर
Yeah. Connection lost.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why? I think it will come.
Ah, so morning work will greatly help.
Huh?
Morning work will greatly help.
Morning?
Morning walk
Yeah.
will
Actually, I'm not walking. I'm not doing yoga. That's why I'm getting nose blocking. Otherwise, if I do yoga, no, I will not get nose blocking.
it will faster walking. It will
Summer, you can wake up by 4:35.
yes.
Today, I wake up at 7.
Sir, also at the 5 to 5:30 from 6.
5 o'clock is the best time.
Yes, sir.
Not 4 o'clock. Nowadays, we are sleeping at 12 o'clock. 5 hours needed.
Yes, sir. Sir, not getting questions related to interview or experience. Whenever I'm searching in the internet.
You're not getting experience into questions.
No, sir. I'm only getting confused. The question I'm getting like it is for 5 to 6 years like this.
Okay.
Could you like provide me some questions? Because I got a call from them today. Maybe interview will be scheduled in some days.
Mm.
But I need calls are very less right now.
Mm.
Calls are very less right now.
Reba, fresh experience lot.
Um, I have only have given, but calls are coming very less. That's why they are showing the revenue. There is no wrong with the
Till May, no. Till June, no calls much. For emergency recruitment. From June onwards, recruitment starts. Start of session completed.
Yes, sir. End of session.
End of session also completed. Everyone. Today very small program.
Yes. It was very small.
Yesterday three Windows programming.
So it was almost 4.5 pages.
What? Copied Siddharth? Copied Radhakrishna?
Sir, how much are they giving offering for 2.7 lakhs?
12 lakhs in nation, sir.
12 lakhs? Sir, I sold my result. Currently, on sounded I have 6.8 current package. A lot of people called me right now in computer location. They said only they have budget of 6.4 only. They have to get back to their manager and call.
Essential capturing ABAPers good salaries because ABAPers lot of shortage in nation, sir. That's why they're giving more salary to Essential attractive.
But what should I do right now?
Essential only.
Messenger.
Jump into Essential. Yeah, copied Siddharth.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I don't want to pain you much today's class for more coding part. Try this application for model. Call transaction. So A will be interactive. Selected vendor number. Purchase order date range. Show. Purchase order header information using EKKO of selected fields as output. That means here purchase order number and order date, purchase document type and vendor number into grid window with user defined field catalog format and selection of purchase order number. Show in detail purchase order information into SAP transaction code ME23 and selection of vendor number. Show in detailed information into SAP transaction code XK03. Should write two if conditions in form subroutine selection. If PV2 hyphen field name equal to EBLN and if PV2 hyphen field name equal to LFNR and if you should write code it.
go by so exam after
More salary they'll give.
14.
20 also they'll give, 24 also they'll give.
It is too much. What will you advise me to do? So actually,
You become strong already, you know strong EWM.
sir, right now I should just read the functional part that I had read in that college time, or I should go more deeper, like integration part or what?
Anywhere you had, no? Now you're having MM. You can go through that. At least above consultant right here, having techno-functional knowledge of MM, EWM. Like this you put in this. Okay? Yeah, copied everyone? Yeah, Siddharth copied?
Yes, sir. Copied.
Yeah, tomorrow we have interaction. I'll open everybody's package. Let's see how we are developing. Okay? See you tomorrow at 11 o'clock. Bye. Have a good day.